Today we are going to, where are we going?
7 Magic Mountains.
7 Magic Mountains. Those are the pile of rocks that you see that are colorful on the 15 freeway.
You need more coffee?
Yes, I need more coffee. We're leaving Vegas, that's all you need to know. We always see these colorful rocks off the side of the freeway. When we see it, it's always too late and there's no exit nearby. So today we decided to plan, left Vegas early, heading home, and we're taking this route to go see these magical rocks that we see. What are your first thoughts of seeing the magic rocks?
It was a pile of rocks. They were tall, they were colorful, and there was a lot of people.
My first thoughts were how fun, colorful, pretty cool.
It looks like it's a cesspool for COVID-19. We're gonna keep our distance and make this fast. It's gonna be a short video because I don't wanna get exposed. She's waiting for the cattle to cross.
The exhibition opened May 2016.
And was originally scheduled to be on view for 2 years. 7 Magic Mountains punctuates the Mojave with a poetic burst of form and color.
That is the spread of COVID.
You've seen it? We don't ever have to see it again.
True. You can see it from afar.
Yes. Now we don't wonder.
Yes. The wondering is over. You got it on video.
Slow.